to Tots TV.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come along, sing with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Let's all sing our ABCs. A is for apple, B is for bear, C is for cat, D is for dog, fair and square. E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for giraffe, H is for hug. I is for igloo, J is for jam, K is for kite, flying so high, wham! L is for lion, M is for mouse, N is for nest, up in the house. W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Let's all sing our ABCs. O is for octopus, P is for pen, Q is for queen, R is for rain. S is for sun, T is for tree, U is for umbrella, keeping us dry and free. V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, hear it wail. Y is for yellow, Z is for zebra. Now we finished our ABCs, hooray! W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Let's all sing our ABCs.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.